Hey guys, welcome back to PDNob. Do you want to edit a PDF form or document but find you can't fill in the fields? Do you open it in Word only to find it's completely blank? Frustrating, right? Well, today I'm going to show you two simple ways to edit PDF files in Windows, even if the PDF isn't directly editable. Solution 1. Using Paint and Word. This method is completely free and works if you just need to make minor edits or annotations. First, press Windows, Shift, and S to take a screenshot of the PDF you want to edit. Open Paint and paste the screenshot. Here, you can make changes to the specific sections you need to edit. Use the color picker to select the background color. Then select the rectangle shape to cover the area you want to edit. Once you've covered the area, select Text from the Tools menu to enter your revised text. This completes the partial editing of the PDF. After editing the PDF using this method, select Save As from the File menu. Save it as a PNG file. Now, open Microsoft Word and create a blank document. Insert the PNG image you just saved. In the Arrange group, set Wrap Text to Behind Text. Then drag to resize the image so that it fills the entire document. Finally, press Ctrl and S to save the document as a PDF. This approach is very effective for minor edits. However, it can affect the clarity of the document. Furthermore, if the PDF contains many pages, this process becomes extremely tedious. Solution 2. Using PDNob PDF Editor. For a more professional and efficient solution, check out PDNob PDF Editor. Open your PDF in the editor. You can select Edit All to modify all content in the PDF. If your PDF file is set to be non-editable, you can take advantage of one of this software's standout features, OCR, Optical Character Recognition. This allows you to edit scanned PDFs as if they were regular text files. Once you're done, just save or export your file and you're ready to go. This method is faster and much cleaner, especially for larger documents or PDFs with tables and forms. If you only need minor annotations, tools like Paint or Snip and Sketch work perfectly. Always keep a backup of your original PDF before making edits. Use the OCR feature if your PDF was scanned. Otherwise, you'll just be editing images, not text. When converting formats, double-check that tables and layouts look correct in Word or Excel. That's it. 2 ways to edit PDFs in Windows. One free and simple, the other more powerful and professional. We'd love to hear about your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.